Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to block unknown numbers on Samsung M35 device. Well, unwanted calls from unknown numbers can be distracting and disruptive, especially during important tasks or when you need to focus. So, by blocking unknown numbers, it will minimize distraction and interruptions, allowing you to concentrate without being disturbed by unwanted calls. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, open please the dialing app on your device to access the call settings. So here, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then select the settings option from the menu, and within the settings, enter to the block numbers feature, then toggle it on to enable this function, like this. Okay, enabling the block numbers feature, allowing you to block specific phone numbers from contacting you, providing a way to manage unwanted calls effectively. And also, by activating this feature, you can prevent calls from designated numbers, enhancing your control over incoming calls and improving your overall calling experience. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to block unknown numbers on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.